What's good, everybody? It's Zeus. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be working on my center console that I got for my Chevy Avalanche. So if that's something you want to see, stay tuned. But in the meantime, cue the intro. Okay guys, so this is my jump seat that I was telling you guys about. It's actually in really good freaking condition. So that helps, I guess, if I want to resell it. But basically, this is what it does. Take a step back and you see it turns into a seat. This is like old school, you know what I mean, where you can fit a third person up here and you can fit 3 people in the back. And I don't like that. I want a normal console that I can just, utilize, and where my drinks aren't basically on the ground. So this is what I was talking about. This is the jump seat that we're gonna switch out, and all that revolves around is 2 screws and unplugging a wiring harness. Then that seat should come out 4 screws and a wiring harness that comes out 4 screws, and this one comes out. So that's it. Let me show you guys. Let's go ahead. But first, you know what? We have to clean the console first. So let's get to that. Okay, so right here we have the console in all its dirty glory. Basically, what we're going to be doing is we're going to clean this off. Basically, I'm just going to be using Mother's VLR. It's good stuff. It costs like $10 at every automotive store. A microfiber towel and a magic eraser. These things are a must-have when it comes to cleaning the interior of your car. If you don't have some, you need to get some. So basically what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna use a little bit of an all-purpose cleaner to get off all the big dirt, and then I'll kind of use the Mother's to kind of give it like that shine and protection, along with the magic eraser for anything tough. But the dark plastics that are right here, for example, like the centerpiece, get this out, or just this one, for example, I'm actually gonna take this and just drop it in a bucket of water, and I'm gonna let this soak for a while, because a lot of this stuff is in the crevices and it'd just be a whole lot easier to let it soak and let it break up on its own. Same thing for the cup holder. It's actually really gnarly. If I can get it out, there we go. This actually, let me show you guys, you gotta get in here. It's actually really nasty. See what I mean? It's gonna be hard to get all that out with with a rag and some spray. So I'm just gonna dip this in some water, let it sit while I put everything else in. But let's get that thing clean. Okay, guys, so this thing looks freaking brand new. It looks really good. I hope the picture is doing it justice. It looks freaking amazing. Let me get out of my light. It looks really freaking good. I mean, you guys can see. See how good it looks? All the dirt and stuff that was caked in there, got that cleaned. I got a little bit out of there, not all of it. There's a little bit of stuff back there, but I'm not too worried. But it looks freaking amazing. All I used was Chemical Guys cleaner mixed with some soap and water. They're actually their wash cleaner. And I used the VLR. Well, I told you guys what I used, but good. Looks absolutely amazing. All right, it's a new day. Let's get those seats out. So we got this as clean as it's gonna get. Doesn't need to be squeaky clean, but it looks night and day over all the crap and junk and change that you guys saw in here earlier. So now I'm gonna take out a few bolts that are gonna be, there are 2 tins I believe underneath there. I'm gonna take those out and then I'm gonna put my new console in. Okay, so you see right here I got the center console in here. I have to take, I was just trying like a quick fitment. I have to take out all of this and it's gonna go right in here. So I'm not gonna do it on camera because I'm running out of space on my card, but I'll take all this off and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so it is about probably 3 hours later and I got it installed. It is definitely not perfect. If you look right here, you see I had to do a little bit of cutting to get it in there. But it is on there. I haven't screwed it down, but it's definitely on there. Looks really good. Now I just gotta put the seats back in and I'll be done. so here's the final result. It was a lot harder than what I thought it would be, I won't lie, but let's go ahead and fix this right here. Fix that later. But it looks pretty good. I got the cup holders that I want, and I got the armrest that I want, so I'm pretty satisfied with it. But that's it. Okay, guys, so if you can't tell, I am tired. But you guys saw the little clip. It's in, I'm sorry the camera is shaky. I'm holding, I don't have my mount on me, so I'll try to make this quick. But this is the jumper seat right here, as you guys can see. I thought I was gonna sell it, but I think I might actually keep it because it's nice to have a little chair, I guess, in the garage besides my little stool bench. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely have some repairs. I had to do a lot of cutting and custom stuff to get it right. So I definitely have to go and fix a lot of stuff because I cut too much. So I have some ideas on how I'm gonna take care of that. I'll show you guys in another video. Next video, I should be going back to the junkyard to actually get another brake master cylinder because I need to replace the one that I have on my truck because my cap is gone. So I'll probably do that, and I think I'm gonna replace 2 of my brake lines, so that's probably gonna be the next video on the Chevy Avalanche. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below. Please turn on your notification bells. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this mod. I love it. I have the room I need, the cup holders I want, and it's still, I don't lose my functionality in the rear, so I can still drop the seats to get my extra space for my cargo bed. So I love it. I absolutely love it. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 3 letters, BZG. Oh no, follow me on Instagram. Link in the description to my Instagram, post on there a lot. Now, let's get to it. 3 letters, BZG. I'm out.